Hi, this is Shushan from MeasureSquare. In this section, I will show you how to add a texture and how to self-cove, and then I will show you how to use the view options to view your creations. If I pick a tile and I click I can scroll down and there's my texture. If I click on that button, I can pick a texture from my photos and I'll click Done. Then I can drag this tile over. Now you can see right now that the texture didn't show up. That's because I need to go to Views, View Options, and I need to check Texture. Now for the self-coving. If I click on the eye of a room, I can go to Label Heights Coving, and I can pick a self-coving size. So let's say 6 inches. And I'll click Done. You'll see the self-coving appear immediately. However, if I click off, you'll see it disappear. If I want that self-coving image to always stay on, I can go to Views, View Options, scroll down, checkmark self-coving. Now, when I click off into a blank space, you'll see that the self-coving does not disappear, and I can view it at all times.